What's up, guys? I'm coming to you today with another Bluegrass flat picking lick, this time in C major. And I added a couple of half steps in there, a couple of slides and pull-offs, which gives it kind of a jazzy feel. But it mostly sticks around the C major chord shape and the C major scale. So I hope you enjoy this one. Let's check it out. Alright, so let's take a look at this lick in C now. So we're in the key of C, and we're playing out of the C major scale. And we're kind of making use of some of these half steps in the C major scale, which gives it kind of a jazzy feel. But we're still mostly in the major scale here. So we're going to start with a 2-note pickup from the 3rd fret to the 4th fret high E. And you'll notice there I'm actually playing that 4th fret high E with my ring finger. So I'm going from my index finger to my ring finger, only between 2 frets. So only between a half step. And the reason I do that is because I'm actually going to slide up into that 5th fret high E. Right there. So I'm sliding up on an upstroke into that from that 4th fret high E to that 5th fret high E. And then we're going to hit a downstroke back on that 3rd fret high E again. Okay, so that moves kind of like this. So it's a down, up, slide, and then down. And then right there, we're going to go to the 5th fret B after that. Then you're going to see a pull off there from the 4th fret to the 3rd fret B. Okay, so there's a lot of chromatic motion going on here in this C major scale. And then we're going to go down to that 1st fret high B, right? So and that 1st fret high B is going to be on an upstroke. And then from there, we're kind of just approaching this C major chord shape here. And we're going to be playing a lot of the rest of this lick kind of around that C major chord shape. So right here, we have our 1st fret B, and we're kind of locking that in. That's of course, the 3rd note of the C major chord here, the C major triad. So that's going to be kind of our anchoring point here for the rest of this lick. And then right there, we're going to go 2nd fret G to open G, and then back to the 1st fret B on a downstroke, and then a pull off on the 2nd fret G on an upstroke. So it's kind of a... Right here, you're going to notice a hammer-on from the 1st fret to the 2nd fret D. So we're starting to descend now. We're starting to get into the lower register here. Okay, so that hammer-on there, that 1st fret to 2nd fret to open. And then we're going to have that 3rd fret A to open D. Okay, let's play measure number 1 now, all the way through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's take a look at measure number 2 now. So we're coming off of that 3rd fret A to open D, right, which is kind of in that C major chord shape. So we're coming off of that, and we're going to land on the 2nd fret D. right, so we're kind of landing there on that G chord. And even though this is in the key of C, you know, that G note is still going to work because the G note is in the C scale. Land back on that 3rd fret A, which is the root note, the C root note. Okay, very traditional, just keeping it in that C major scale. One, two, three, four, 2, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four, 2, 2, 3, 4.